Hello and welcome back to my channel. My mom just popped by and gave me her new project, which I asked her to do. Well, not asked particularly this project, but let me tell you. Recently I received a great package of UHK Gallery from Poland that they have their 10th anniversary paper pack, and there are 4 different collections inside. One C, one I forgot about the names, and I have to check that out. But anyway, there are 4 different collections and they are super cool, and I don't have that much time to do something with it, and I just don't want to put it aside and don't look at it. And so I asked my mom, do you want to make something with these papers? Then please do, so I can show people how nice these papers are and what you can do with that. So yeah, of course, she loved to do it. So yes, so cool. Alright, so one thing I helped with this one is the front, because she did not know exactly how to use all the different elements. So if you don't like the front, that's my that's my help. For the rest, she did not use that much help of me, so I am super excited to show you everything. Alright, so this is a nice big album, and how big is it? Well, it's a 10.5 or 26 centimeters by 7.5 by 19 centimeters. So it's nice, it's so cool. Alright, so she used my bookbinder's linen, the white diamonds, which is available in my Etsy shop, and for the back, nice green one, and this is a nice strip from the paper collection. The bottom also, really love the green one, and then all these nice images on the front. So let's go inside. So as I said, there are 3 different collections that she used for this album, because I thought the C1 was not particularly, yeah, I thought will not fit with these 3. So that's why she made one card with that. Alright, so let's go to the first page. A nice decoration on the front. Here we have those 2 nice little swing tabs that goes down, and then this flips up. And then we have another flip up. Oh, lovely space for adding a nice picture on. And then you can write something here and here on the left side. And then here also a nice big picture, or even you can make your name on here or something. But wow, love it. So cool, Mom. You did it absolutely stunning. Then you go to this side, and then you open this up, and then you can open this up, and then this goes to the left, and then I think it's better to open this one first. So this goes up also, and then this opens up to here, and then we have 2 pockets which you decorate, nice tags inside. But then I believe, yep, this one goes to the left. Oh, here she forgot one tag, but that's okay. People always can do that themselves. And then this goes to the right also with a tag inside. So that's cool. So cool, Mom. Absolutely stunning. Alright, close this down. I believe this album is made with the Sweet Secrets mini album. I believe this is the same one that she used, I think. And then we go to this side, and here we have another collection. I believe, I really forget about the name. So then you have the wet one with the black and white collection, and then you have the black and white collection. I believe this one is the Holmes one. I definitely need to check it out, but I bet I am going to write it down this video to show you. Here this flips up and down, and then nice decorations that you can add some where you can write something down. Then this opens up, you can add nice little pictures here. And then she made a nice big booklet where you can add nice big pictures. So cool. And then this flips everything down, magnetic closure. Then we go to this side, and this is magnetic. Then we have a little waterfall that goes to the left. And then you can add a nice picture here. Oh, this is opened up. Also, you can write something down or put some pictures here and there. You can write something. So cool. And then this closes magnetic. Then we go to this side, and this is the can't remember the name. It's Holmes, the sister of Holmes. Ebola Holmes? No, not Ebola. No, I will check it out. Anyway, here we have two closures, and this opens up and down. And here she created two nice pockets. So cool. And if you put this down, this flips up too. And then here you have a nice big spot for photos. And if you move this back, let's see if I can, then this flips up again. And then you have a nice big tag for here. And you still can add photos here or on this tag. So cool. Stunning, Mom. Love it. Then we go to this side, and here you have a little tuck spot where you can add still your photos or little tags inside there. Little decoration. Then this flips up. And this is a big page that goes to the right. And on this side, I need to move. On this side you have a nice photo frame. Then we go back, and then we have a nice closure. I have to see how everything works because I did not make this. And then we open this up, and then we have a big pocket, as I can see, with a big nice photo mat where you still can write something down. I'll put a nice photo on. So cool. Wow, it's so different for me to show something that I did not make because it's an adventure for me too. Wow, I love it. So cool. And then this goes to the left, and then we have that wet collection. Go back. Then you open this up. Wow, I love these two pockets. Oh, wow, wait just a sec. I think this is opening up first. And then you have two pockets. Okay, then I have to check. Oh, this goes up. Oh, nice big photo frames right here on the top. See? So nice. And then I think it's finished. Is it finished? No, I think... Oh, oh my gosh. It opens to the left. And I remember that she made a nice tuck spot, so you still can add your picture behind this one. So cool. And here we have three nice little pockets. With another one. You can see that she got her ideas from me. I love it. So cool. Absolutely. And then for this one, let's see. Open this to the left. And this to the left. This to the right. Then you have two tuck spots. So cool. Yeah. And then, oh, and then this opens also with something in here. Oh my gosh. I love it. And then this closes down, and this closes down. So cool. Absolutely stunning. And I know it's one of my albums, but for the pages ideas, but gosh, I even can't remember how everything goes because I did not make this. So that's so cool. Mom, you did it. Absolutely stunning. Alright, so now for the last page. This is a magnetic closure that folds down. This folds up. Oh, yeah, I have a nice big pocket. Oh, wow. So cool. Oh, wow, this is amazing. And then you have a nice big waterfall. See, she even decorate that, what I always do too. With adding so much pictures on here. So cool. Love it. Absolutely cool. Okay guys, that is it. Oh my goodness. Wow, I love it. I could not do it better. Wow, wow, wow. So Mom, thank you so much that you wanted to do something with those papers, because I do not have always the time to do that. And UHK Gallery is so friendly to send me so much of her new collections. And yeah, I know I only have time for an unboxing, but I could not resist asking my mom to do something with this. So I hope you like it. And so check it out for the papers. UHK Gallery 10th anniversary. And it's a limited edition. There are 4 different collections inside there. And check it out. So there's all... I definitely going to check out the correct names for all of that. Because there is one C version of what's inside of there. But... my mom made 2 big fat cards with them and a big album. So absolutely stunning. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Mom. As you can see, you see where I got it from. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give her a big thumbs up. Not for me, but for my mom. Big thumbs up, Mom. Thank you. Bye bye.